Did you know that you can actually schedule your post right within LinkedIn? In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to do that, but more importantly, how to find your scheduled posts. So just like creating any kind of post within your LinkedIn account, you go up to the top and you can then start to create that post. And that will allow you to create anything from a photo to a video, an event. You can also create an occasion, show that you're hiring, do a poll, which is really great to engage people, upload a document, or find an expert that's on there. So in this case, I'm just going to go create a simple post and schedule it for a couple hours from now, and then I'll obviously delete it because that's not the post that I want to create. So this is a sample post for this video. All right. So that may be the post that we want to do. Now down beside the post button, you got a little clock, so schedule for later. Go ahead and click on that and you can go and choose the date and time. So I'm going to choose tomorrow, and from the drop down, I'll just pick 11 a.m. Okay, we're going to hit next. And then when it comes up here, it is not scheduled yet. You still need to come down and click schedule. Now that's great. Now what happens if you want to change that or adjust that? Well, you're going to go back into if you were going to create a post, and then you're going to go down here to the schedule button and choose view scheduled posts. Now, within this, you can go ahead and change the time if you want to shift it. Now, unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, there is not an edit button, so it doesn't allow you to actually edit that post. So what you would have to do is delete it and then recreate it. So one thing that I've done is make sure that you copy and paste the text first to your clipboard before you delete it, and then you can just repost it as well. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that post, and we're going to delete it. Now, once you do delete it, you cannot recover that post. It is gone forever. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you got a question about what you saw and you'd like me to dive a bit deeper into that or any other feature of LinkedIn, go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video on that. Thanks for watching.